In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers and guides in Canva. Being able to see rulers and guides is really helpful when you want your design to look clean, balanced, and professional. They give you visual references so you can line things up perfectly, keep spacing consistent, and avoid that slightly off-center look that can be hard to spot with the naked eye. Let's start right inside the Canva editor. With your design open, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu. The first thing you want to do is click on the File option. This opens a small drop-down menu with several settings related to your current design. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a panel or a small window where you can control some of the editor's display preferences. Inside these settings, find the option that says Show Rulers and Guides. When this option is turned off, you won't see any measurement rulers at the top or sides of your canvas, and you won't have visible guides to help you align elements. To turn them on, simply click on Show Rulers and Guides. Once you do that, you should immediately notice a ruler bar appear along the top and left edges of your design area. You may also see guidelines appear when you move elements around, helping you snap objects to the center or align them with other items. If you ever decide you don't want to see them, you can come back to the same place and toggle that option off again. It's completely flexible, depending on what you're working on. There's also a quicker method if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts. Instead of going through the File menu, you can press Ctrl and R on your keyboard at the same time. That's Ctrl plus R. This shortcut is a fast way to show or hide rulers and guides without clicking through menus. If they're currently hidden, Ctrl R will turn them on. If they're visible, Ctrl R will turn them off. Using rulers and guides regularly will make your layouts more precise and your designs easier to manage, especially when you're working with multiple text boxes, images, or shapes. So, to recap, open File, go to Settings, turn on Show Rulers and Guides, or simply use the Ctrl R shortcut to toggle them on and off as you need.